You bought a new light fixture. It looks like a simple weekend project to save some cash, right? But what if that simple project is a leading cause of residential fires? Beyond fire, a more direct threat exists. The electricity itself can deliver a fatal shock. The reality is, installing a light fixture is almost never as simple as it appears. We'll show you the hidden physical dangers, the costly financial traps, and the legal nightmares. Let's begin with what can go wrong the second you open that electrical box. First, weight. Is the ceiling box rated for that heavy fixture? A standard box can fail, dropping it without warning. Next, grounding. A missing or improper ground wire means a surge can electrify the fixture's metal casing, waiting for a touch. Finally, the fall. You're on a ladder, holding a heavy fixture with tools. It's a perfect recipe for serious injury. So before even touching a wire, the physical risks are immense. But the electrical details are where the real dangers are hidden. So why are these mistakes so common? It comes down to the expertise gap and the unseen problems lurking inside your walls. Your home's wiring is likely a mess of past changes. Old houses can have cloth insulation or aluminum wiring that needs special handling. A professional uses a multimeter to confirm the power is off at the specific wire. They use tools to ensure connections are perfectly tight. But the most frightening mistake is the one you don't see. What if your new light works perfectly for now? A single loose connection creates resistance and heat. It won't trip a breaker. It just smolders silently for months, then ignites. That flickering light might be a symptom of an overloaded circuit. A DI wire replaces the fixture, but a pro finds the actual problem. Assuming you avoid fire and injury, you're still not safe. The financial and legal consequences can be just as destructive. Electrical work is controlled by strict safety codes. Using the wrong type of wire nut is a violation you'd never even notice. Adding a new fixture where there wasn't one before requires a permit. Skipping it can mean fines and orders to rip it all out. Did you know improper installation instantly voids the fixture's warranty? If it breaks, the manufacturer won't cover it. If your DIY work injures a guest or a future owner, you can be held personally liable for all the medical and legal costs. But all those costs are small compared to one sentence buried in your homeowner's insurance policy. Deep in the fine print is an exclusion clause. It states damage from unpermitted or non-professional work may not be covered. So a fire starts from your fixture. The investigator finds the non-compliant work. Your insurance can legally deny the entire claim. This same issue appears when you sell your home. A home inspector is trained to spot illegal electrical work immediately. That discovery can delay or even kill the sale. You'll have to pay an electrician extra to fix it and get it inspected. Now, let's connect all of these points. This is where the actual cost of saving a few bucks becomes painfully clear. Remember that silent, smoldering wire from earlier? It perfectly demonstrates how these separate risks multiply each other. That hidden fire finally erupts. Then your insurance company points to the policy exclusion. Your attempt to save $200 just cost you $50,000. Or the quiet path. That tiny code violation sits for years until it torpedoes your home sale, forcing a last-minute, expensive repair. The potential cost of any mistake completely outweighs the cost of hiring a pro. You're gambling thousands to save a few hundred. We've covered the immediate physical dangers, the hidden time bombs, and the devastating financial and legal outcomes. A licensed electrician isn't an expense, it's an insurance policy. It protects you from fire, injury, and financial ruin. Many great DIY projects can improve your home and save money. Altering your home's electrical system should not be one of them. So before you step on that ladder, put down the tools and pick up the phone. Protect your home, your family, and your wallet. Call a pro.